Alright, what's up YouTube? Just got a pack of these socket adapters in the mail. I'll put the links down below, you can check them out. Taiwan. $10 I think. Get the whole set. And you've got all the different adapters. This one's 1/2 inch to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/2, 3/8 to 1/4 inch, and then 1/4 inch to 3/8, and then that's 1/2 inch to 3/4. So, you know, if you're going for a budget set like this, you know, $10 up to like $15, whatever, you know, they say you can run them on an impactor, and you can. You know, when people say they break is usually when you're adapting from a bigger drive down to a smaller drive, like this 3/8, you know, to 1/4 inch. That's gonna break if you put enough torque on it, because you're going from big to small tip, you know, so like, of course that's gonna break, you know, or if you're going from like, you know, 1/2 inch to 3/8, like if you put enough torque on it, you're gonna snap that off. So, you know, you just want to keep in mind when you're adapting down, like you can't expect the world out of it. You're gonna be much safer putting more force on it, you know, going up, adapting up in size. They look good to me. You know, if you're using, you know, ratchets, hand tools and stuff like that, like this is going to be totally fine. You got to watch the reviews. Some reviews are good, some are not. Some are a little misguided. That's the set. Overall, they look pretty good, and I'm happy with that. So I'll link that down below. It's a good price. I think it's cheaper than Harbor Freight because I was just there the other day. So I'll put some other stuff. Neiko makes some other budget stuff, calipers and a bunch of tools and stuff. So that's the set. You get 5. It should cover all your bases. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.